Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Chainlink from Coinbase to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets around securely and efficiently. Chainlink, or Link, is a popular token for smart contracts, and transferring it between exchanges like Coinbase and Crypto.com can help you optimize your holdings or take advantage of better features on Crypto.com. Don't worry if you're new to this. I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do it confidently. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Crypto.com, and that you have some Chainlink in your Coinbase wallet. Start by logging into your Coinbase account on a secure device. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio and select the Chainlink token. You'll see an option to send or withdraw. Click that to begin. Next, head over to your Crypto.com app or website. Go to your wallet section and find your Chainlink address. It's crucial to copy this address correctly because crypto transactions are irreversible. Double check that you're using the right network. Chainlink typically runs on Ethereum, so ensure both exchanges are set to the Ethereum network to avoid any errors. Now, back on Coinbase, paste the Crypto.com address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to send, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on Ethereum's gas prices in 2025. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. After the transaction is sent, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to appear in your Crypto.com wallet, depending on network congestion. Once it's there, verify the amount and celebrate your successful transfer. A quick word of caution: always use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you're unsure about anything, double-check the steps or reach out to customer support. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next video.